Hi everybody, it's Jake Chisholm from Results Realty, and I am so excited today because we are selling the most iconic building in Pictou, 110 Water Street. It is one of the last stone structures, probably in the province actually, that you can actually call home. This house is done to the nines, fully restored, right from the floorboards right up to the ceiling. It's amazing. Custom cabinetry, exposed stone. The backyard is phenomenal, as well as you have an amazing retail space on the bottom as well too. So let's go check it out and we'll see what we think. Okay guys, what do you think of this place? From exposed stone to the custom cabinetry to the new kitchen, this house speaks for itself. It's just absolutely breathtaking. So book your private showing, get in, come see it, and we will see you soon.